Good morning to all. Today we are going to learn the book exercise of the third chapter, whitewashing the fence. So at the page number 55, all of you take page number 55. Okay. Fill in the blanks with the words from the story. Jim came out skipping with a dash in his hand. What he had carried while he was coming out of the house? Tin pile. So the first is tin pile. Tom lured Jim by offering him a dash and offered to show him dash. So what he had offered? White alley. And there is a second toe, shore toe. Okay. Next one. When Roger was impersonated him as a, how he had rode? He rode as a steamboat. If Tom had not run out of dash, he would have bankrupted every boy in the village. So he had to run out of whitewash. Dash considers whether the body is oblique to do, and dash considered whether the body is not oblique to do. So work as well as play. Copy down in your book page number 55. Okay. Next we will write, do the book exercise of page number 57. We will take page number 57. Okay. Read the sentence, determine the meaning of the words in the bold, tick the option that closest to the meaning of the word. So, we have to know the meaning of the word which is given in the bold, and we have to find the meaning which is given in the option. Similar meaning. Okay. Even though he had well paid job, loving family, he yearned for many more. Disrespected, deserved and yearned. Which will be the right? The second one. So, page numbers 57, first main. A is the option to deserve. Okay. Since the professional athletes have to stay fit and in the best of the shape, and they seldom eat junk food. So seldom it means. So always prefer rarely. So the option is the third one, rarely. Just you have to make a tick mark beside the box. Since it was a school day, Tharun thought it was a peculiar that he saw no children on the street leading to the school. So, peculiar means unusual or not common, strange. So, unusual, direct answer they had given the first itself. So, the option is the first, unusual. Okay. Next, on the way to her room, after being scolded, Nisha murmured something under her breath. So, murmur means munu munukaradu. So, disrespected, muttered, yearned. So, which will be the answer? The second one, muttered. Muttered nala enadha pulu pulunu pesittukanu. Muttered. He refused to wear a t-shirt with a mom's picture on it because he thought it was Monkin's 2 point being silly. Adhu silly ah irukum appadingiradhu. Clever, over sentimental, sincere. So it is a over sentimental. Over sentimental. Okay. So this is at the page number 57. Marked in your book. Okay, we will go to the second one. That's in the page number 57 and 58. 2 is there. Second one, second A. Ben racked the alongside of the Tom. So rack the bits which moving. So which is the to move come beside someone, to become angry with, to become equal to. Which is the answer? To move. To move and come beside somebody, someone. Just make a tick mark. You don't mean to let on what you know this already. To allow, to act proud, to confess, reveal or confine something. So, which will be the right? To confess, relieve or confine something. So, the B option is the third one. To confess. நியாயப்படுத்துறது, reveal சொல்றது or something. C. Fuel these days cost an alarm and a leg. So it's becoming very expensive. So the second option is right. Very expensive. I have too many things to attend to right now. This new crisis will have to be on the back burning. On the back burning, to leave for later, to destroy, to make worse. Which one will be the right? The first one. To leave for later. Next. He except to pass without studying. Unfortunately, he cannot have you cannot have your cake and eat it. It means to enjoy something without paying for it. So without working hard, if you think to enjoy, that is option 3. Mark it in your book, page number 58. Okay, we will go to the third one. Read the sentence, determine the subject of the word in the bold, write the meaning in the space provided. There they had already they had given the option we have to choose. Here we have to find the meaning of the word which is given in bold. Okay. The bear we saw was lethargical, that she wasn't sure if it was alive or dead. It did not even blink or get up. It just lay there like a lump. The meaning of the lethargic is lethargicனா அது அப்படியே சோம்பேறியா அப்படியே படுத்து கிடக்கு. அந்த பியரை பார்க்கும்போது அது உயிரோடு இருக்கா இல்லையான்னு கூட அவங்களுக்கு என்ன பண்ணல தெரியல. பிகாஸ் இட் வாஸ் நாட் ஈவன் பிளிங்க்டு. கண்ணு அப்படி சிமிட்டவே இல்லை, அப்படியே படுத்துருக்கு. சரியா? ஸோ இட்ஸ் ஜஸ்ட் லுக் லைக் லம்ப். அப்படியே அவங்க ஒரு லம்ப் அப்படி ஏதோ ஒரு மேடாக ஏதோ இருக்கிற மாதிரி இருக்குது. சரியா? லெத்தாஜிக்னா என்னது? வாட் இஸ் லெத்தாஜிக்? Lethargic is third A. Lethargic means lazy, or even we can say motionless. அசைவில்லாமல் இருக்கிறது. Okay, that is lethargic. Okay. I am reluctant to take a car to the mechanic as the last time I took it. I had to spend almost 50,000 rupees on all the repair. Reluctant அப்படின்னா என்னது? நான் ரொம்ப தயங்குறேன்னு அர்த்தம். What is the meaning for reluctant? Hesitate, and even we can say not willing. Hesitate, or we are not willing. Next. After the bird escaped, I tried to coax it back into the cage with a thread. What is the meaning of coax? Coax means katti bodrathu. Lure. L-U-R-E. Next. Wherever he looked, he would see nothing in the desolate plain except for the two grazing. Desolate na ஒண்ணுமே இல்லாம இருக்கிறது அப்படினு அர்த்தம். யாருமே இருக்காம பேர்னு சொல்லலாம் அல்லது அதுக்கு பேர் என்ன சொல்லலாம் ஐசோலேட்னா தனியா இருக்கிறது. Isolated. Okay. Another one. Dressed in a sports shoe and jean, I felt like outcast in the room full of the formal dressed people. What is outcast? Outcast means odd man out மாதிரி நம்ம அதுக்கு சம்பந்தமே இல்லாமல் இருக்கிறது. இப்போ என்ன பண்ணலாம், not belonging to the group or the odd எழுதலாம், odd தனியாக தெரிகிறது அல்லது என்னது not belonging to the group. Okay, copy down in your book page number 58 and 59 is there. Thank you my dear students. I hope you had understand. You had to write this book exercise.